How to change brightness on Windows desktop. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. First, go to your start menu and then go to settings. Now, simply search for or go to system. After that, go to display. Here you can see the brightness option at the very first. Simply drag the slider and you can change your your brightness. You can also turn on night light and make it custom for certain hours. Next, you can access it from your taskbar over here. Simply tap on here and here you can see you already have a brightness panel as well. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll get you in the next one.